super windy. It's gonna be a lot of water. It was nice, but really, it's like this is scary. Kaya di magkakabayo mo lang kung may don't know how to swim. So, that's why I'm super scared. We do not, no one is here but us, but me. Oh, Jesus, my heart is like chalala, but we're almost there. And yeah, this is Tatungan. We survived. We survived, but that we have that bamboo bridge there, but I don't know what is that. So look at it is mangroves. We are surrounded by mangroves, and we are now here in the other side. Sit down. Oh my, they have a solar. They have a solar light. It's cool. And there is a light. Top is solar, which is pretty cool. Yay. The mangroves. See the mangroves? And you can hear that's the bridge. And there's boat coming. Because they're going to the islands. There's a lot of beautiful islands here. Punta sila sa mga isla. Makaganda pa naman ang isla dito, guys. Like, virgin pa talaga sila. Hindi pa na discover. Kaya, maganda dito mag-ano pa. Kasi you can surely enjoy. Look at this family. Hello! Nice. It's a long footbridge. So I don't know how long. So there. Beautiful. It's a beautiful. That's a mangroves. Mangroves. It is to prevent the erosion of the waters. And this is going to the ocean. And there's another boat. See, it's really a wide mangrove forest. So it's really nice. Look at that. Another boat. Super windy. Grabe ang hangin, bay! Ang lakas! Siguraduhin mo lang na hindi mo ako malilipad. Kasi wala tayong anchor. We don't have any anchor. I don't know how many kilometers is this. As you can see. Oh, mangroves. It's mangrove forest. Oh my God, how many minutes we're gonna walk for that bridge? But let's go, right? Ang lakas ng hangin. Super windy. Nice. Meron dito. Super windy. Far away. Ganda siguro dito pagkagabi, guys. Tapos may buwan, full moon, and you are here just sitting, relaxing, watching the view, the nature, diba? Ang ganda siguro. May boat, mayroong boat. Hello people. Boat. Far away na. solar light. Ay, may mga pain sila. That is for fish. That is fish nets. Corals. It's a beautiful day. Kita ko na ang dulo. I think that's the end over there. I can see it now, the finish line. We are already far away. That is where we are earlier, to that resort. Grabing layo na ba eh. 15 minutes walk, I think. And the fun part, crossing the hanging bridge. Aside this long footbridge, mangrove forest, nature's view, walk. Nice also to cross the hanging bridge to a big scale. Takot-takot kasi hindi ako marunong lumangoy. My bad thinking of what if, you know. Beautiful. I can see the end. I can see the end. It's low tide though because you can see the corals, the seaweeds, the grasses, the rocks. I can see the end now. This is the end of the footbridge. Narating din natin ang katahimikan, no? Kaduluduluhan ng mundo. Wow. Nice. Wow. Talang-talang dito eh. Ganda. Tingnan nyo yan guys. Ngayon, babalik na tayo. Ato. This is the terrace. There's so good place to stay there. It's beautiful. Nice.